about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 4 from verse 1 to verse 20. The story about the farmer. One next time, Jesus did a teach side of the lake. One big crowd of people gather up around him. Him did have to go in a one boat on the lake or sit down while the heap of people them turn up at the lake side. And him use some little story and teach them whole heap of sitting. Him said to them, say, hear this. One farmer did a go out to plant some seed. And when he did a plant, some of the seed them drop which part people walk. And the bud them come yam them up. Some drop with bare rock stone there. Then they have much dirt for grow in. No, cause no whole heap of dirt in there. The root couldn't go down deep. So the plant them come up fast. When the sun come up, it's catch up the plant them. And through their root nail long enough, them dry up and dead. Some other seed drop amongst maca bush, and when them pop up, the maca bush choke them, so they never bear nothing. But some of the seed them drop on good ground and come bear food. Some bear 30 and 60 and even 100 times more than what the farmer did plant. Then Jesus said, anybody will have ears for ear, better listen good. What the little story them good for? After the crowd left, the 12 apostles and the other people them were there around Jesus asked him about the story them. So him answer them say, who no get the chance to know the secrets sitting them about God's kingdom. But the people them were there outside, me use story to tell them everything. So, even though they might look hard, them not go see nothing. And even though they might listen good, them not go understand what them hear. Cause if them did understand, them would have turned away from their sin and get saved. Jesus tell what the story about the seed mean. Then Jesus asked them say, who do not understand that story there? Then who not go understand no other story? The farmer plant the message. The seed will drop which part people walk. Them are the people will hear the message, but Satan comes same time and take away the message out of them heart. The seed them will drop which part bare rock stone there. Are the people them were well glad for God's word same time them hear it. But same like the plant who for root no go down deep in the ground. They no make God's word go deep in their heart, so them no last no time. When tough time lick them sake of God's word, them give up and turn back same time. Same like how the plant dry up and dead. Still, some people come in like the seed them we drop in a maca bush. Them people they hear God's word, but through them a fret about life. Through all them can think about how to make money and get rich. And through them want more and more things. Them sitting the black God's word. So it not do nothing different in their life. But some other seed drop on good ground. Them are the people who hear God's word and take it in, and it bear a whole heap of fruit, 30, 60, or even 100 times more than what the farmer did plant. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.